This video will teach you how to program your HomeLink buttons on your mirror to your LiftMaster garage door opener that has a rolling code. First, don't push the brake, just push the button so the car flips over. Next, if you have a new car or if you want to clear out the old codes, hold down these two buttons for about 20 seconds. There's a light here you'll want to see that will change color. In my case, I'm just going to add a button. So what I'll do is I'll hold this down until that light starts to blink yellow. So now it's blinking. So hold this button down until it turns green. So it's green and flashing. That means I have to run inside, touch the button on the door opener, and I'll go do that quick, and then you have 30 seconds to come back here and hold it down for 2 seconds at a time until it opens on its own. So this is a LiftMaster with MyQ, and this is where the button happens to be, the learning button. The yellow light comes on, push the button for 2 seconds at a time. And hold it 2 seconds. 2 seconds. And you see it starts to go down. Your HomeLink is now programmed. Please like and subscribe. This was a Mercedes GL 350 diesel blue tech. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.